Welcome to my channel. What's the technique to draw realistic beard? In this video I will show. I used a 4B pencil for baseline. I just simply draw some lines according to the hair direction. Merge with a round brush. Now I use a charcoal pencil to add some darkness. Then merge it well. Create a layers step by step. Then create a some light hair pose. After this, highlight the dark pose using charcoal pencil. I use a electronical pen for highlight some area. Add light pores and then merge it well. Directly, I use a charcoal pencil. Create a hair according to your guideline. Merge it well, that is very important procedure. Create a layer by layer, according to your guideline. I use the eraser tool to create lightness. Now, I create a side part of beard. Add some darkness, lightness according to your photo. I apply same procedure on another side. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and comment.